फेस्ता दिसा necessary directions issue केल्ले पंचायतीक to take action in terms of revocation order आणि जे license issue जाल्ले ते. आता on the day I quit my fast on the feast day after that order came from the panchayat from the Town and Country Planning Department. I had assured people of Goa, I had assured other protesters and everyone who was fasting alongside me कि now after I have broken my fast, after achieving what we could achieve, stop work order पंचायतीची आणि रिवोकेशन ऑर्डर आणि मागीर TCPचे तिसरे कम्युनिकेशन की I will now resume my role as a lawyer and take this further ahead as a lawyer and see to it that the structure gets demolished. आज त्याच निमतान त्याच उद्देशान हांवें आज एक लेटर केला टू द सेक्रेटरी एंड द सरपंच ऑफ विलेज पंचायत ऑफ ओल्ड गोवा asking them to take action and why they should not refrain from taking action and warning them that if they don't take action I will be forced to file appropriate proceedings against the sarpanch for remissive duty for not performing their duties and seek their disqualification. I have also marked a copy of this to the DGP of Goa, to the Anti-Corruption Branch, Goa Police Department and Vigilance Department to take action against all the erring authorities which were responsible for granting this permission and fraudulent records जे create केले तांचेर action घेवपाक जाय आणि I think this is good enough to register an FIR because whatever I have stated discloses a cognizable offence. Baki it is for the police to investigate and find out what is to be done. I have stated to them that Old Goa Heritage Action Committee चे जे documents तांकां पयलीं पासून सबमिट केल्ले आसा बाकी जे आसा प्रोटेस्टर्स आनी जे लोक अजुनूय टोकन फास्ट कंटिन्यू करता आनी जे म्हजे पयलींच्यान थंय बसताले तांचे जे डॉक्युमेंट्स पंचायतीक सबमिट केल्ले पयलीं पासून दे वर ऑलरेडी फायटींग अगेन्स्ट दीस कंस्ट्रक्शन ते सगळे डॉक्युमेंटाच्या बेजिसाचेर क्लियर कट दिसून येता की this construction is blatantly illegal and it has to be raised to ground. I have inwarded this. I met the secretary of the panchayat and he has assured that they are taking action and they are in the process of issuing necessary orders. Tanka ek reply aila from Mrs. Lotlikar, who is the earlier owner of this project. We have sold the property and amka haje badal kai dena घेणें ना म्हणून त्यांना I don't know what is the fate of this property आणि आज कोण आपल्या वेले सगळी जबाबदारी जी झटकता ती पळयत जाल्यार I think we should, the day should not be far that this illegal construction is demolished. Of course there is a process which has to be followed. We have been catalyst along with the protesters and the other NGOs आशिल्ले जे ही लढाई लढताले तांचे बरोबर आमी as a catalyst I worked. I did my fast, I did my duty to state of Goa. आणि तातल्यान जो ऑर्डरी आयल्यो ताजो अल्टिमेट रिजल्ट वी वील सून सी अशें म्हाका दिसता कारण हे जे आसा पळय एज अ पंचायत एक्शन जी आसा पळय ती पंचायत एक्शन एज पर पंचायत राज एक घेवची पडटली नाजाल्यार देर आर इनफ पावर्स विथ द डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत एंड डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत टू सीक necessary action to demolish and take action against the sarpanch also. So I understand that I met the secretary. He as an administrative officer of this, as a government officer of this panchayat. I am sure he knows his duty well. आणि सरपंचाकय म्हाका एक रिक्वेस्ट करपाची दिसता तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ती नाशिल्ली आज की call for a meeting immediately and issue necessary demolition order and government should provide necessary demolition squad to demolish this structure and bring the ground to where it was prior to this construction which has come up illegally, the way it had come up. So as आमी copy फुडें forward करतले, I will meet the other protesters who are continuing with their strike. कोणीच जेन्युइनिटी डाउट करपाची गरज ना. हे जो लीगल प्रोसेस आसा तो हांव कंटिन्यू करतलो and we will take it ahead appropriately as per law.
कितलो टायमिंग बी दिला तेमकां तुमी?
सी
Time frame
पंचायतीक अंडर पंचायत राज एकानी स्टॉप वर्क नोटीस दिल्ली आनी 7 डेजाचे तांकां टायम दिल्लो, सो ताका रिप्लायज आसा, तो लिगल प्रोसेस तो करचो पडटलो. बट आय थिंक इमिजिएटली पंचायत कॅन टेक अ मिटींग and issue necessary orders in that regard. It would have to be a show cause notice along with the particular timeline within which the structure will have to be demolished by the party itself. Since the permissions have been revoked, as per law the structure is absolutely illegal. So तातूंत भितर म्हाका दिसना व्हडली कितें कोणी तकली लावपाची गरज आसा, because as per TCP itself, TCP minister itself, the structure's permissions were obtained by fraud, and anything which is done by playing fraud on the government records has no sanctity in the eyes of law, and therefore immediate action in the matter is called for. I think it is high time Panchayat acts swiftly in the matter. तांची जी लढाई आशिल्ली 8 म्हयन्याच्यान 6 म्हयन्याच्यान किंवा फाटल्या 3 म्हयन्याच्यान बाकी प्रोटेस्टरांची, ताजी चीज जावपाक जाय. म्हजें तातूंत भितर जें योगदान आसा ताजी चीज जावपाक जाय, and ultimately the structure has to be demolished. So I think faster the better.
अमित बाब, फाटी बॉल जालो तुमी तुमचो कंप्लीट जालो म्हणल्यार हंगर स्ट्रायक, तेजे मागीर थंय एक बेश्टो बॉल जालो की तुमी सगळे क्रेडीट घेवपाक फुडें सरले म्हणून तुमच्या नांवाची बॅनर्सां मारली. ह्या गजाली कडेन तुमी कशें पळयता?
पण हांवें बॅनरां मारूना. आफ्टर 5 दीस हांव घरा गेला, 2 दीस लागले रिकवर जावपाक. इवन दो इट हॅज अ प्रॉब्लम, इट अफेक्ट्स बॉडी इन, आय एम स्टील नॉट परफेक्टली फायन. एनर्जी 100% भयंकर आसा. सो कोणाक डावट घेवपाक जाय पळय तांकां घेवनी. नाव लेट्स स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट डेमोलिशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट what we can do for a better Goa. History cannot be changed in any manner, but you can always correct what wrong has been done by history. So let's go in that direction. कोणाक डावट घेवपाचें आसा तें घेवनी. हांवें गोंयच्या सायबा समोर 5 दीस सिन्सियरली जें केलां ताजो रिजल्ट म्हाका फेस्ता दिसा मेळ्ळो. सो आतां कोणाक जर डावट दिसता त्या गोश्टीचेर जाल्यार कोणी म्हणलें गोंयचो साहेब पळयतलो, हें पळयतलो, पळोवन घेतला. म्हाका भयंकर आशिर्वाद आसा देवाचो. पवित्र भुमी, ताजे बरोबर खेळ करपाचें केन्ना बरें जायना, तें हे प्रत्येक गोंयकाराक खबर आसा. आनी तो खेळ हांवें करुना आनी ताजे बरोबर उत्तर दिवपाची म्हाका टिकाकारांक गरज ना. वॉट इज देर इन युअर मायंड एंड हार्ट एंड सोल, नोबडी कॅन टेक इट अवे फ्रॉम यू, नायदर कॅन गीव यू समथींग मोर दॅन यू डिजर्व. पूण गोंयच्या लोकांचो जो मोग म्हाका ह्या 2 दिसांनी दिसता आनी ताच्या पयलीं दिसतालो, तो अजून पर्यंत येत आसा. ना त्या गोश्टीचो थंय बसतालो तेन्ना आम आदमी म्हणून बसनाशिल्लो. हांवें थंय म्हजो बॅनर लावनाशिल्लो आम आदमी पार्टी म्हणून. कसल्याय बऱ्या कार्याची जर म्हाका एडवांटेज जाता, फायदो जाता आनी लोकांक दिसता की यू वील लीड द वे एंड ही इज कॅपेबल ऑफ लिडींग द वे, देन आय थिंक पीपल आर पुटींग दॅट फेथ. आय थिंक वॉन्ट भिता ते भितले, कोणाक त्रास जाता तो जातलो. आतां प्रत्येकाची हांव तोंडां बंद करूंक शकना.